Marie here with schmoozer.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to export contacts. And one reason I do this is when I have unsubscribed contacts. I want to remove them, but I don't want to lose them so that I can use them for future use. So I will do this. I will go to Contacts on the left over here, Status, and click Unsubscribed. And then up here on the right, 3 little dots, click Export. And then you can type in what you want to call it. I call it unsubscribes. And export. Then when you're ready to download it, you can click here to view progress, or over on the left here, you can also click exports. And when you do that, it'll take you here, and you can just click download, and you're all set. And come back for some more videos later on how to import contacts. Look forward to seeing you, and thanks.